And I'm very curious as to what people are going to think about this one.
Yeah.
And the rumor is there's a store at Disney Springs called the Disney Drop Shop that is coming. And the rumor is that they are going to have a dedicated unboxing and live streaming area of this shop. Now, this opens on Friday.
Supposed to
in the Marketplace Co-op. And mind you, there's been lots of rumblings and people complaining about live streamers and live auction sellers and resellers. So essentially what you could put this as, and I in my head, I'll see what you think. I have two scenarios that it could be going with this, but essentially now Disney is encouraging this type of behavior directly into their stores now.
Yeah. Like apparently this shop is also going to have like mystery merchandise, like, you know, the wishables where you have to open the bag to see what you get.
I've heard of it. I've never done
that
it.
Kind of stuff. Mystery pens, mystery like wishables, all that kind of stuff is going to be in the shop. So they're just going to have places for people to set up their cameras. Listen to me. Set up their phones to like live stream or whatever, and open these in front of people watching as they do.
Yeah.
It's like, here, if you want to do this, go here.
Right. Well, I look at this. There's that part where you're like, Disney's just leaning into this because I've argued many times. I did a video on the CTM channel about this, and I was like, listen, I understand from the consumer side where people are annoyed by resellers and these live auction sellers go into the discount stores and they're auctioning off things that they actually haven't bought yet. They just put in their cart, and then somebody says, I think it's on like Whatnot app or something, and they'll claim it and then they'll buy it, but they just hog up space and merchandise in the stores. Obviously, resellers come in and buy up a bunch of stuff, put it up on eBay. So there's been lots of complaints about this, and people have been asking, like, Disney needs to do something about this. And I've said for a long time, I don't think they're going to, because Disney doesn't much care. Because if this stuff sells, like, again, if I'm selling cups and you keep buying my cups, I don't really much care what you do with it afterwards, from my perspective, unless that behavior starts impacting the sales of my own cups. But any enforcement of this stuff is going to take time, money, and resources. I just don't think they're going to put time, money, and resources into something that's already making them money.
Yeah.
And then also Disney likes the spectacle of it. They want it to seem like people are, lining up to buy these things. And so I think you could look at this at Disney's leaning into it and it's going to make it worse, which it could. I mean, I imagine a bunch of creators in the same area jockeying for space. Like, you could see a whole bunch of creators fighting over this stuff. But the other scenario that I think is there potentially is if Disney tries to, like, okay, we know these people are doing this, they're helping sell our stuff and create demand. We create a separate space for them to kind of like separate them out from the everyday guest. This could be a way they're going about this. We don't know yet if this even happens, but that could be a way of testing a way to kind of like allow this behavior to be there where it's monitored a bit more and not hopefully impacting the guest experience a bit. That's just me reading into it. I have no clue if that's part of their thinking, but I'm just thinking that could be a scenario that they're looking at here of trying to not necessarily combat it, but kind of control it a bit more.
Okay.
Maybe. But I've often talked about, like, if you're going to lean into it fully, like, give them separate times to go do this stuff, or, different release dates, something like that. But either way, if they go about this, it's going to be very interesting to see how this works out, because I just imagine, again, like a bunch of dedicated space for unboxing and live streaming, and it's just, I feel like this is going to be pandemonium.
I believe you are correct, but you never know. Maybe it won't work. Maybe the people won't use it as much as they want, and it'll become something else.
Think people will use it.
I don't know.
The amount of live streamers out there now, I think undoubtedly.
Yeah.
I guess you could read into it in one way that Disney is leaning into this aspect of shopping at Disney now.
Yep.